Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials. Choose the content type and use a generator that exports vector files and supports high error correction. Once done, set a color palette and decide on a small logo, keeping it under about 30% of the code area so scanning stays reliable. Make sure to select contrast-friendly foreground and background colors. Now prepare a test URL or data string and export a baseline black and white PNG to verify functionality before styling. You now refine the visual design while preserving scannability. Increase error correction to roughly 15–30% if you plan to add a logo or decorative eyes. Once set, swap the foreground to a solid, high-contrast color and avoid subtle gradients across data modules. They break recognition. Then generate vector output and iterate. Export at multiple sizes and scan with several devices. If a scan fails, reduce logo coverage or increase contrast. Retest until consistent across phones. You finish by exporting clean files, SVG or PDF for print, and a 300 dpi PNG for web. Once exported, perform final validation. Scan with at least 3 devices and 2 different apps to confirm reliability. If any device fails, troubleshoot immediately, remove decorative effects, revert to black on white, or shrink the logo to 15% or less. After those corrections, re-export and recheck. Keep original editable file so you can adjust without rebuilding from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.